play an A minor chord, everybody. Get an A minor like that. On an F chord, you can do a full bar F if you're brave, or you can go for this F right here. And sometimes you can just play an F major 7. You don't have to bar to get that F note on the high E string. It'll kind of work for you. You'll see what I mean. We'll need a D minor chord and then a G chord. Very nice. So A minor, F, D minor, and G. Very nice, everybody. That's the verse. The chorus is a beautiful C chord, and then an F chord, and a G. That is it. During the breakdown, at the end of the song, he strums the same thing as the verse. A minor, F, D minor, and G. The right hand does all the work to this song to really create that da 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 da. That's the verse. Great job, everybody. Take a look at that chorus. Great job, everybody. Kind of get a feel for it. It's 2 counts of G, and you just do 1 C, 1 F. Great job, everybody. So I hope this helps you play Mr. Jones. Very easy song. I think if you pick up your guitar and start strumming along with those chords I just showed you, you'll figure that song out in just a few moments. Again, my name is Lucas at Stokes Music Studios. I enjoy teaching you guitar, and I will see you in the next lesson.